So the first of the motion commands is the rapid motion, that is G00 is the command that is used. So in this case the tool is going to move from the starting point up to the ending point at the maximum possible speed. So these motion commands, once you have written the motion command, it means that whatever the next sets of lines you are giving, unless you are changing into something different type of motion command, the same motion command will be in existence. So the tool will be continuously moving with the same type of the command. So what is that, we will see in a moment. So the syntax is G00X A and ZB. A and B are the coordinate values of the end point of the motion. So you are at the starting point and you have to specify to what point you are to move in a rapid motion or using the rapid motion. So if you want to go to P2, then you have to specify the X and Z coordinates of P2. So if you want to go to P3, then you have to specify the A and B as the X and Z coordinates of the point P3. So now for example, if you say you are at P1, you want to move to P2, say the coordinates are X is 50 and Z is minus 40, and you have to move using the rapid motion. Then you will write the command as G00, that is a rapid motion, X50 Z minus 40. So already you are at point P1. Then once the controller reads this particular line G00 X50 Z minus 40, then rapidly it is going to move from P1 to P2. Usually it will take the straight line path, but we are not very much concerned. Usually it is going to take the straight line path and very rapidly it is going to come to point P2. So straight away it is going to come like that. So that is the rapid motion. So here we are not going to specify the feed at what feed rate or what speed it has to move while it is moving to this particular point. Now from P2 to P3, if you want to go, now how to do that? So now you are at P2 now, you are already at P2, you want to move to P3. The coordinates of point P3 are 80, minus 60, which means the diameter at P3 is 80 mm and it is at a distance of 60 millimeter in the negative direction of z-axis, so it is minus 60. So now when we return G00 X50 Z minus 40, which means initially the tool was at P1, it has come to P2. Now we want to continue the same program. We want to say take the tool to P3. So we can write G00 X80 Z minus 60. So from P2 it will very rapidly move to point P3. But we have to remember that this G00 command, once it is executed, you need not keep on repeating it again and again. So you need not write again G00, you can simply say X80 Z minus 60, because it is already in the G00 mode, that is a rapid motion mode. So whatever the commands coordinates you are writing, the tool will be traveling to that particular point at the maximum speed that is possible, because G0 commands, once you have switched them on, they will be in existence unless you are changing it to some other type of motion. Say for example G01, G02, G03 or some other commands which are available. Now if a particular X coordinate or Z coordinate is same, then you need not again repeat it, because the controller will only change those parameters which you have given. Remaining parameters, if you have not specified, it will take the previously used commands. Now for example, you are already at, usually the tool will move along a straight line up to the end point and it is going to end at the end point. So once we are activating G00, it will remain active unless you are changing it to some other motion command. That is about G00.